Okay, so problem number 3. We need to determine the circumference of a circle. We are given a radius once again, 2.6 m. And we know it's a radius because our line goes from the center of the circle all the way to the outer edge. Now, I am not going to walk you through this problem because I want you to try this on your own. You need to type in the formula. You need to then type in the equation where you're plugging in your values for the variables within your formula, and then you need to solve it by using your order of operations or PEMDAS, and then you put your answer in this little box right here, and then you take and copy and paste this picture onto the slide where you can, it has the answer banks, and you're going to put that in that answer area there. I'm not going to walk you through this because I need you to get used to knowing what the formula is. It's the same formula as in problem number 1 and number 2, so refer to those videos if you need extra help on what you're doing to walk through. But you're doing the exact same thing, so I need you to kind of work this one on your own and then go back and look at problem 1 and 2 in case you need, look at those videos in case you need some help on what to do. But since we have that answer bank, you should be able to self-check your answers to make sure you're getting it correct. Make sure that if you do have an answer that goes beyond 2 places of the decimal place, that you just round to the second place or the hundredths place. So make sure that you're doing that to be able to find your answer. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, refer to problem 1 and 2 on what I did to walk you through the problem, because this is exactly the same thing, just with a different number for your radius.